So, boy, want to do this again? Open. Good boy. Take the drink. Almost. Right here. Hey, take the drink. There it is right there. Wait. Take the drink. Good boy. Good boy. Hey, take the drink. What are you doing? Hey, wait. Take the drink. Take the drink. Almost, buddy. Almost. Okay. Sit. Use some water, eh? Hey, take the drink. That's not the drink, buddy. Sit. Take the drink. Good boy. Ready? Take the drink. Here. Sit. Take the drink. Hey, right here. Take the drink. Good boy. Take the drink. Good boy. Good boy. That's how it's done. Sit. Let's do this one more time. With no drink. Actually, wait. We need a drink. We need the drink. Fill it with water, too. Makes it heavier. Otherwise, it just flies everywhere. Okay. Ready? Open. Good boy. Good boy. Take the drink. Good boy. Yeah, that's how it's done. Okay. Hey, sit. Wait. Wait. It's the best thing to do for that is I took a piece of meat and I hung it on a string all the way down here. Okay. I left the fridge open just like that so he can smell it, and he was digging at it trying to open the fridge to get to it because I told him to, go ahead and take it. So when the fridge opened, I praised him. Do that over and over, you don't need the meat anymore. And then next you can work on the bottle.